Welcome to BT Travel. I'm your host Sabrina, here to guide you in all things Barbadian and vacation. Today we are at Peg Farm, but not for the usual. It's for camping. We're in the outdoors and we're becoming one with nature. Let's go.
Welcome to Peg Farm. This biodynamic farm offers farm shop, garden to table cafe, tours, and of course, camping overlooking the beautiful landscape of Barbados. Wake up in your tent and take a deep breath of fresh air coming straight off the east coast of Barbados. Peg Farm is the first biodynamic farm and campsite that provides an authentic opportunity to disconnect from the world and connect while ensuring a safe environment for the whole family.
Here at Peg Farm, as you can see, all of the lawns are well manicured. The campsite, there is benches, there's outdoor toilets. So if you've ever had a pit toilet, if you know what's a pit toilet, it's similar, but it's a little more upscale. The shower, you are in like a rainforest with fresh, cold water running down on you, but it's actually refreshing. It feels so good, really wonderful. You get that experience of being disconnected from society, social media, all of that clutter on a daily basis. You get to slow down, listen to the birds, listen to the ocean. You get to connect with nature.
Come find inspiration, healing, and connection to the spirit of the land here at Peg Farm and Nature Sanctuary. Until next time, goodbye.